Okie dokie. Time to get all set up and ready for yet another show. Uh-oh. Hey guys, how you doing? Was this here before? Must be another one of the mystery boxes. Of course, I wonder who this one came from. Okay, that answered that question pretty quickly. Hello everyone, hope you're having a wonderful weekend. It is springtime season, time for rain, and time for mysterious packages showing up on one's doorstep. So, as you can tell, we got another box that came in. And this one is a total mystery because I was not told anything about what was inside this box. And of course, this coming from Highlander could be anything. So, without further ado, let's open this up. Let's see what's inside. Now, the only clue that he gave me is that kind of mixes old school with new school. Maybe it might be useful in a retro build of some kind. So I guess we'll find out what's inside. I have no idea, so we'll take a look. Okay. Something certified refurbished. Okay, fair enough. Let's see what's inside. Really good packing styrofoam. Kind of form-fitting foam. Thank you so much. Oh wait, that's not really what's in here. Okay. Alright, let's see what we got. What on earth? Wow, okay. This is definitely unusual. Let's see. This comes in like this cling film around the item, so let's see what we got. Wow. Came really well packed. Clear tape. Came in an anti-static bag, so. Interesting. Ooh, hello. What do we have here? What is this? Okay, well, it's definitely card for inside your computer. I'll kind of zoom in on this a little bit and kind of give you a little bit better idea of what we've got here. So what we've got is we've got right, left, and audio, then S video, and then we have an RS-232 jack, a control jack. Yeah, take a look. This is the panel for this. I have never seen one of these before. Okay, let's dig into the instructions and see what this actually is. So, okay, so this is an ICS SP50 made by Aurora Multimedia. Is a hospitality interface with video and S-video inputs. With a few basic connections, this unit will seamlessly work with the Sony display. Okay. Sony wonder what this is for. Huh. Okay, well, admittedly, I'm going to have to do some research on this and figure out all this is used for, because I have never seen anything like this. So this is kind of cool. It's not very often that I get sent something that I have no idea what it's used for, but this one kind of boggles the mind. It has inputs, so I will definitely do some research. If I can use this, then I definitely will. This could be an interesting little hobby project. So yeah. So thank you very much, Highlander. I really, really appreciate this. This is very unique, very, very random. It's kind of like fits in with the theme with the channel. So yay. So yeah, it'll be fun figuring this out, because it looks like it hooks up to what exactly? I am baffled. I am totally lost. So yeah, this will be cool. So once I have some more information on this and can actually do a full review on this, if I can figure out what this all hooks up to, then I definitely will. Down in the video description is my shipping address. If anybody wants to send something unique, fun, interesting, appropriate, thank you, by all means send it, and I will definitely take a look at it. And if it's something that I can definitely use in some kind of build or some kind of project, it doesn't necessarily have to be a computer project. It can be just about anything, literally. But yeah, that's cool. I kept this box around for a few days because I want to do a live unboxing to show you what I thought of it. But it's refurbished. It looks like it's in great shape. It's well put together. Beyond that, I couldn't tell you a thing about it. So yeah, I will do some more research and find out some more about it. So thank you very much to Highlander for sending this to me. I do appreciate it. And it came in an anti-static bag, so yay. Came with the description of how to install it. So yeah, it'll be fun. Alright, so what do you think of something like this? This is kind of cool. Alright, so anyway, just a little quick video, just kind of show you what came in the mail. And like I said, once I find out more, I'll do a follow-up and let you know what goes on with it. Alright, so that's cool. I'm going to start my checking in on this, and I'll report back. So I'm going to get on out of here and start doing that. So if you like this kind of content, by all means, go ahead and hit the like button. It's right down there if you haven't already and want to subscribe to see more random content. This definitely fits in with the whole random theme of the channel. By all means, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that button right down there below and keep checking back for more interesting stuff. And until next time, as I always say, live life a little randomly, and we'll catch you guys next time. Take care now.